Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and having good time with your family. Today we are going to start subject verb agreement. This is the second part of the video. ठीक है? First part we have already uploaded on our YouTube channel. This is the second part. In our first video we have learnt about the subject verb agreement, singular and plural subjects. ठीक है? Subject joined by and, subject joined by or, and then after we have learned subject with either or, neither nor, not only but also. ठीक है? In today's video we will learn about the indefinite pronouns as subject. Students, do you know which indefinite pronouns we do have? So let me write that indefinite pronouns over here. Indefinite pronouns. Everybody, somebody, everyone, everyone, someone, each one, no one, etc. This all are our indefinite pronouns. With indefinite pronouns we always use our singular verb. The verb will always be singular. What it will be? The verb is singular. The verb is singular. So let me give you an example. Everyone needs an umbrella. This is our subject and this is our verb, and that is singular. How we come to know this our verb is singular? Because here we have used as. ठीक है? Each one understands the concept clearly. ठीक है? Each one understands the concept clearly. Each one is my subject and understands is my verb, that is singular. So you see students how easy this is here with indefinite pronouns we have to use singular verb. ठीक है? Now next we have collective nouns. Do you know what is collective nouns? The nouns which a bunch of, जैसे कि बोलते हैं ना, a bunch of keys, ठीक है, a pride of lions, this all are our collective nouns. So with the form of collective nouns we are using singular verb. Let me give you the example of it. Now students, you know what is collective nouns? Collective noun means a, जैसे कि बंच ऑफ कीज है बट बंच क्या है, वो एक है. ठीक है? एग्जाम्पल आई विल गिव यू अ प्राइड ऑफ लायन. ठीक है? लायन का झुंड, तो वो झुंड जो है वो एक झुंड है, उसमें लायंस बहुत सारे हैं बट वो झुंड क्या है, वो एक है. एग्जाम्पल collective nouns. The pride of lion dozing in the sun. ठीक है. The bunch of keys, the pride of lion is dozing. Why I have used is over here? Because always with collective nouns we are using singular verb. Here also I will write the bunch of keys. भले ही मैंने यहाँ पे bunch of key, sorry, the bunch of key is on the table. अगर यहाँ पर bunch of keys होता, then and then only I will write R over here. Otherwise, with the bunch of key is on the table, there are lots of key in that bunch, but the bunch is one. That's why we are using singular verb along with the collective nouns. ठीक है. Now there are some special words. With that words we are using plural verb. Which verb nouns we do have? Like pants, trousers, scissors. ठीक है. This type of nouns are pants, trousers, scissors, etc. These are our special words. Along with these words we are using our plural verb. Like these trousers are too tight for me. ठीक है. These trousers are too tight for me. So here I have used plural verbs. On the other hand, ठीक है, on the other hand we are having some nouns which look like as a plural but they always comes with the singular verb. जैसे कि news, mathematics, physics, this all are our singular noun. ठीक है. इसलिए हम उनके साथ क्या यूज करेंगे? Singular verb. They look like that they are plural but it always come with the singular verb. ठीक है. Now after that measurement and time. Let's move to that. Now student, measurements and time. ठीक है. Measurements and time. Measurements and time. We use always singular verb with measurements and time. ठीक है. 10 liters of petrol all we have left. 10 liters of petrol. Liters of petrol is all we have left. ठीक है. इसमें भले ही 10 liters दिया हुआ है but still what we have used singular verb. So always with the measurements and time we are using singular verb. ठीक है. Next example. 6 centimeters of rain is quite heavy. 6 centimeters of rain is quite heavy. ठीक है. So from these two examples you come to know with the measurements we are using singular verb. ठीक है. Now other thing is there, that is subject sentences with there is and there are. ठीक है. Sentences with there is and there are. You know students, always with the there is and there are, subject will come after the verb. ठीक है. In this type of sentences subject will come after the verb. Example, there is a small shop at this corner long ago. ठीक है. There is a small shop. A small shop is our subject. A small shop is our subject. ठीक है. बट हमारा वर्ब पहले आ गया और सब्जेक्ट क्या आया, बाद में आया. सो जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ दैट, बस उसमें और कुछ भी नहीं है बेटा. द सेम थिंग इज दैट ओनली. आई हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड यू जस्ट टू एक्सप्लेन दैट कि हमारा जो सब्जेक्ट है वो आफ्टर वर्ब आता है इन दिस टाइप ऑफ सेंटेंसेस. देयर आर मेनी प्रॉब्लम्स व्हिच कैन नॉट बी सॉल्व्ड इजीली. देयर आर मेनी प्रॉब्लम्स. ठीक है. मेनी प्रॉब्लम्स, दैट इज आवर subject. ठीक है. There are problems which cannot be solved easily. Understood? So this is the concept of subject verb agreement we do have students. I hope you all have understood this concept very clearly. ठीक है. In our next lecture we will continue with our new video. Till that, bye bye. Take care. Stay at home. Stay safe.